Hello. This video introduces a new original knit with two uses. As a bottom belt on a knitted garment and as a basic knit of vertical braids with a unique relief and texture on the background of a purl knitting pattern. Knitted in combination, the two options naturally and elegantly flow into each other. The scheme consists of 4 loops and 4 rows. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, we work with 4 loops. Slip the first one, the thread is in front, and knit the next 3. Again, slip 1, knit 3. Row 2 right side, continue knitting in the same way. Purl 3. Slip 1, the thread is at the back. Again, purl 3, slip 1. Row 3 wrong side, from the first loop we make 3. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, and knit 3. Again. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, and knit 3. Row 4 right side, purl 3. Knit 3 together through the back. Again. Purl 3. Knit 3 together through the back. Purl 3. Knit 3 together through the back. I have presented you with a new original knit with 2 applications. The unique combination of the two will add elegance and style to any knitted garment. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.